Claudio here. So katatapos ko lang sa isang big group na exclusive na training sa isang network marketing team. They hired me to train their team, no. So nasa na session na kami. Na maganda yung naging topic namin, guys. Maganda yung naging session namin. And that's what I do. So just would like to say, no, baka some of you might be listening here and you might wonder, Gerard, we need help sa team namin. We might need a trainer that really knows and my heart sa network marketing. We might want to hire you. Okay lang ba kahit na ibang company kami? Absolutely. Just message me. We can have a conversation. We can have that amazing program for you. Okay? So depende rin sa need niyo. So anyway, so sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin, guys, is I think ito yung isang bagay na pansin ko lang. Ito yung isang bagay that a lot of network marketers, they don't work hard on. That's why they lose in the game. And masabi ko lang, ano ba yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpapaburiyo sa'yo sa network marketing? Okay, sabihin natin. Madalas naman nagpapaburiyo sa'yo sa network marketing is either nare-reject ka ng paulit-ulit ang prospect. Tama? Or nawawalan ka ng paulit-ulit na team. Right? Or possible na pinaka-upline mo ay hindi naging maayos yung relationship ninyo. Tama? So may mga conflict, may politics. Or some of you are maybe hindi naging maganda yung naging treat sa'yo, or maybe you were taken advantage. Maybe baka pinalabas ka ng pera tapos hindi naman pinaliwanag. Alam mo yung mga ganung experiences. And kung nandito ka na sa network marketing and appreciate mo yung buong concept at saka yung buong idea ng network marketing, isang bagay lang sana yung gusto kong i-encourage sa'yo. And ito yung pinaka-reason kung ba't gusto kong gawin tong video na to. For most network marketers, they so work hard in life. No, in general, like we work hard really in life, na nakakalimutan natin na i-work hard itong isang bagay na to. Ano yung Gerard? Okay, let me explain. Yes, working hard in your network marketing business is necessary. Mahalaga yun. Kailangan yun, of course. Ba? I'm a fan of hard work. I don't believe na, hindi ako naniniwala na hindi tayo mag-hard work. Pero, merong isang part ng hard work na kailangan pag-utuunan natin yung pansin. Ano yun? More than working hard on your business, you have to work hard on your mentality or your belief. Kapaliwanag ko You work hard on your mental strength. Kasi, kapag hindi matatag ang ano natin, the way we think, yung mga prinsipyo na pinangahawakan natin, yung mental toughness natin, sooner or later, you find yourself quitting, you find yourself running away from responsibility, you find yourself running away from pressure, nagtatago ka, and then you find yourself being victim of the situation. Nakuha ba? Right? And yes, you work hard. Trabahuhin mo talaga ng trabahuhin yung network marketing business mo. Itodo mo, mamrospect, or ano bang way to really acquire customers. Learn new tactics, learn new strategy, learn new ways to do the business, which is I suggest you go to pinoynetworker.org, because pinoynetworker.org is all tactics and all strategy yan. Makakatulong sa yan to grow your network marketing business. Okay? So go to pinoynetworker.org, pinoynetworker.org. But more than just growing your or putting the effort to your network marketing business, kailangan, guys, nag-e-effort ka rin na ayusin yung mental yung mental beliefs natin. Kaya maraming natutumba sa network marketing kasi yung thoughts nila hindi kinakaya yung pressure, yung mental pressure. Sino nakaka-relate sa ganun? Sino nakaka-relate sa inyo doon? Type mo relate sa my chat. So, relate dyan sa my comment. So, you might wonder kung bakit madalas na mga network marketing trainings puro motivation. And I hope, yung mga nagka-create ng training, I hope they made it, alam mo kasi syempre, nagiging natural, nagiging routinary. I hope yung mga nagte-training, ayusin din nila yung nagte-train. Like, personally sa akin, like, you have to learn how to speak to your audience. Okay, just for my opinion lang naman. So kung trainer ka sa network marketing, kailangan you learn how to speak to your audience. Diba? You don't just say kasi yan yung nakagisnan na sabihin. You have to speak to your audience in a way na ito yung kailangan nila mapakinggan, ito yung sasabihin ko. Okay? Maliwanag ba? But 80% of the battle is here. Ang 20% kasi strategies. Napansin ko lang na marami example sa again, you know that I'm offering programs and programs and mentorship and coaching sa mga network marketers. And isa sa mga bagay na napansin ko, kung strategy lang guys, hindi talaga marami akong strategy na tinuturo. Kahit sa team ko, marami akong strategy na tinuturo. And isa sa mga bagay na napansin ko, yung mga hindi kinakaya yung hindi nakaka-implement, hindi nakaka-follow through sa system or yung sa proseso, yung strategy or tactic, yun yung mga hindi malakas yung mental belief. Yung paniniwala. Yung mental strength nila, hindi nila kinakaya yung pressure. Alam mo yung tipong pagka 10 rejection, ayaw na. Isang rejection nga lang, ayaw na eh. And kung hindi mo kinakaya yung rejection, hindi mo kinakaya yung discomfort, there's nothing wrong with the rejection or the pressure. There's something you need to work out sa paniniwala mo. Bakit ka tumiklop nung na-pressure ka? Bakit ka tumiklop nung na-reject ka? Bakit ka tumakbo nung napagod ka? Bakit hindi ka tumayo at lumaban? Alam niyo po, pwede niyo naman kasing makreate ng ano yan eh. Pwede niyo namang pwede niyong makreate ng excuse yan eh. Tama? Pero bakit nung gitgitan ng pressure, tumiklop ka? Sa tingin mo? So more than working hard in your business, work hard on your belief and your mentality. Yung mga paniniwala mo, na every time na nahihirapan ka, yun yung babalikan mo. So this is what I did. Personally sa akin, gusto nyo ba, okay lang ba i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa? Nung nagsisimula ako sa network marketing, guys, I am really, really obsessed. Not really obsessed. I am really particular on personal growth. Talagang nag-aaral ako. Nag-aaral talaga. Kasi gusto ko ngang manalo dito sa business eh. I wanted to grow in this business. And ang ginagawa ko talaga, kung motivation lang guys, talagang palagi ako nanonood. Araw-araw yun. Pero hindi ko inubos yung oras ko dyan. Like, I really set a time na makikinig ako ng isang motivational na content. Right? Dati wala pa yung mga USB ko pa yun. Tapos driving ko sa sakyan, naka-ano ko. But I'm saying that because I really find time to really listen to principles na magpapaangat sa akin. Kasi ito yung sa bagay na, you have to understand this, okay? I want you to know this one. Kung papabayaan mo lang yung sarili mo na mag-isip ng gusto niyang isipin, maniwala ka sa akin, palaging negative ang iisipin niya. Napansin niyo ba? Okay. Kung hindi ka niniwala sa akin, ang tanong, just for today, ilang negative na thought ang naisip mo? Ilang negative na thought ang naisip mo? Rosemary Maglangit, Kenny Ablaza, Jacqueline Azuala, Evelyn Panglipang, Janice Gakutan. Hello, Ma'am Janice. Kamusta? How's your life? Joyce Sermo. Good evening. Tama. Ngayong araw na lang to, just for today, ilang negative thought ang meron ka? So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo po pwedeng i-allow yung utak mo na mag-free flow lang. Kailangan, guys, tinetrain mo yung utak mo. Kailangan, guys, pinoprogram mo yan. Tama? Nakuha niyo ba ibig kong sabihin? Kailangan pinoprogram siya. And for you to program that, you need to feed it with the right information. Nakuha? And not only feeding it with the right information, you have to be aware of what you're thinking. That's how you're gonna train your mind. Alam nyo, maniwala kayo sa akin, ang dami talagang, even ako, hindi lang naman kayo, kahit ako, nag-fall ako doon. Alam mo yung kakausapin ko, sisimula, di ba, mag-onboarding, grabe, coach, akong bahala dito, tapos ang daming pinangako, akong ganito, lahat na pinangako na, pati langit luma, pinangako na kay upline. Akong mag-alala, ganito, hindi ako masipag ako na downline, mga teammate, right? Hindi ka mahirapan sa akin. Maya, nung nahirapan na, wala na. Bakit? Ano nangyari? Bakit ka natalo in the middle of the fight? Ano nangyari? What happened? Bakit ka tumiklop? Bakit ka tumiklop sa pressure? Bakit hindi ka na nagre-reply? Nakuha, ano nangyari sa'yo? You work hard in your business but you left on training your thoughts. You can't allow your thoughts to just think free flow. Alam niyo ba sa Bible, sinabi dito, sa Philippians chapter 4 verse 8, it says, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is honorable, whatever is good report, think about such things. When I say think, ibig sabihin, intentional ka dapat na ito yung iisipin mo. Otherwise, kung hindi mo i-control yung utak mo, guys, maniwala ka sa akin kung ano nang iisipin mo. Ang problem kasi sa generation natin right now, we are in a generation that is so focused on emotions. we're so focused on emotions. We feel like mas premium ang emotions kaysa sa paniniwala. Marang we put so much premium on emotions, on feelings, rather than belief. Which is hindi dapat. Kasi ang emotions natin, ano yan, erratic yan, taas baba yan. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi mo feel humataw right now, hindi ka nahahataw. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi mo feel magpakita right now, hindi ka na magpapakita. Imagine mo, if all adults act like that, I'll tell you, the world will be in chaos. Imagine mo kung lahat ng mga adults, they would just do the thing that they feel like doing today, not the thing that they have to do today. It will be in chaos. Kaya nyo ba? Same goes in business. You don't allow your emotions to rule you. You have to make sure that your thoughts and your belief, yung paniniwala mo, matatag. Para hindi ka tumiklop pag may challenge. Lahat tayo gustong umangat, lahat tayo gustong umimaman. Nandun na tayo. Pero guys, ito lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. If you really wanted to grow your finances, if gusto mo talagang mag-grow yung business mo sa network marketing, kailangan matutunan mo kung paano i-navigate ang business mo sa mga panahon na sinusubok ka. Kasi hindi palaging okay yan. Maliwanag ba? Hindi palaging okay. Nako ha? Right? Kaya hindi po pwedeng i-hype mo ang pag-network. Sinasabi ko hindi pwedeng i-hype. Kasi kapag hinipe mo yan, nasasabihin mo, wala kang gagawin dito and all, para kang kumuha ng bato, pinukmuk mo sa ulo mo, para kang nagdadagdag ng problema. Imagine mo, nangako ka sa mga tao na madali siya, na wala silang gagawin, na ang totoo ba? Yung ba talaga yung totoo? Hindi mo sila hinahanda sa totoong tagumpay. Ihahanda mo ang tao sa totoong tagumpay by telling them, this is the possibility, ito yung gagawin natin. Papakita mo sa kanila, pero never kang mangangako na mga bagay na hindi mo kayang panindigan. Kasi hindi mo sila hinahanda. Kaya maraming nagki-quit, kaya maraming naiinis, kaya maraming nabibitter because they feel like they were betrayed kasi nung mga panahon na nung panahon na pinapresentahan sila ng network marketing, kung ano-ano pinagsasabi sa kanila na hindi man pala totoo. And some of you makaka-relate dyan. Tama ba? Type nyo relate ko, nakaka-relate kayo. Buti nga nandito ka pa eh. That's why you're not preparing a prospect if you do it that way. Maliwanag ba? Type nyo nga clear ko maliwanag. You have to learn to train your thoughts. You can't just say na, ayoko na maghanap ng customer, ayoko na maghanap ng prospect. Ano mo yun? Tama? Are you learning? Sorry. Matching ako. Tama ba? Type nyo nga learning kung natututo kayo. Merly Tinapay. Nessie Dion. Train your thoughts. Put a system. I should be listening to motivational talk. Kaya guys, ginagawa ko itong mga content na to para sa I don't care which company you belong. I don't care if you join my company or join my team or not. I don't care if you get my course or not. This is for you because naniniwala ako sa network marketing at naniniwala rin ako na marami mga network marketers sa labas na lost, they feel demotivated right now. Guys, tatandaan mo, ang pangarap nila laban yan. Tatandaan mo to, ang pangarap nila laban. Hindi mo inuupuan yan. Kung tumitiklop ka lang dahil sa na-reject ka ng 5 beses, kung tumitiklop ka dahil kailangan mo maghanap ng 3 customer, paano pang pangarap mo? Malaking pangarap mo sa anak mo, di ba? Malaking pangarap mo sa pamilya mo. Malaking pangarap mo para sa mga taong umaasa sa'yo. This is a fight. I mean, what I'm saying is a fight. You have to fight the urges of quitting. You have to fight the urge of not feeling good na ayoko humataw ngayon. But you can only do that kung matatag ang paniniwala mo, yung mental strength mo nandoon. Hindi po pwede na every time na may problema ka sa pag-network, titiklop ka. You have to stand up. Hindi pwedeng nagtatago ka kung may problema. You can't just do that. Sinasabi ko sa iyo to because it's a common thing. It's not only to you. It's not only to your company, to your team. It's in every network marketing company. It's an industry-wide concern. It's not only industry. I think it's all in everything. Kung gusto mo talagang maka-stand out ka among the rest, tama, show up. And the only way for you to show up, even if it doesn't make sense to show up, the only way for you to show up, even if may mga times that you don't feel like showing up, if matatag ang paniniwala mo, matatag ang nakita mo, tama ba? Nagets nyo ako? Hello, Ma'am Norna. Good evening. Yes, you're welcome po. Yes, learning si Ma'am Janice. Nakuha niyo ba ibig kong sabihin? So, I'm pleading to you. Kung meron kang isang ititrain, parang ganito lang guys. Muscle natin sa katawan. Physical mo na strength. Do you think you will just allow yourself not to have, kahit maglakad man lang? Hindi. Will you allow yourself just to eat things that na hindi healthy? Hindi. Makakasakit ka. Same goes with your mind. Your thoughts is the same. You have to train that thought. You have to program it. Paano mo ipoprogram yung mind mo? Kailangan yun guys. Hindi po pwedeng hahayaan mo lang na mag-isip yung kung ano-ano. Ako ha, you're gonna be defeated over and over and over again, not only in network marketing, but in life in general, if you don't know how to control what you're thinking. So there's so many network marketers, they work so hard in their business, they forgot that they have to train this. You have to work this. Ito. You wake up every single day. You learn, you implement what you learn, you assess, you do the same thing, you repeat, that's how you're gonna do it. Gising ka, may matutunan ka, extract, implement, learn. Okay? So, there has to be the learning there. Right? Natututo ba? Guys, another thing naman, ito naman yung extreme. Extreme naman, puro lang seminar, puro lang learning, puro lang training, pero hindi nag-i-implement. Guys, hindi kayo aangat sa ganun. Bakit ka puro training? Kasi natatakot ka. Yun lang naman ang dahilan kung ba't hindi ka humahataw eh. Di ba? Extreme. Yung isa, ayaw. Nag-quit na kasi na binali ng pressure. Yung isa naman, hindi nga nababali ng pressure, hindi naman gumagalaw, puro lang seminar, puro lang training. Hindi pwedeng puro training. Tama? The ratio is, if humahataw ka ng maybe 8, 16 hours in a day or 12 hours, maybe give 15 to 30 minutes of learning and meditate on it. Ano ba yung natutunan ko? Implement. That's how you're gonna do it. Hindi ko to sinasabi yung content na to para sabihin na buong araw kang mag-training. Tama? Yun naman ang mali sa karamihan ng mga network marketers. Bakit ka puro ka training? Hindi, kasi takot ka. Bakit ka takot? Ba't puro ka training? Ba't hindi mo in-implement? Di ba nasa implementation tayo? Tama ba? Are you learning? Right? Wag puro training, wag puro implement. Kaya ako, I'm even offering one-on-one mentorship because I want people to be on the right direction. Na hindi sila yung, kasi, it's so a little bit hard to do network marketing kung walang tamang nagsasabi sa kayo ng gagawin. Okay? Natututo ba? So, more than working hard in your business, work hard on your mentality. You got to make sure na yung mind mo is naka-align siya sa mga tamang principles. Okay? So, hindi po pwedeng power lang tayo dito. Kaya guys, kahit sa team ko, sa totoo lang, I don't know, maraming nagjo-join sa akin. Meron kaming motivation, pero more on strategy talagang tinuturo namin. More on tactic. Tama? More on tactic. And bakit ayaw kong mang-hype? Kasi gusto kong matanggap nilang realidad. This is how you do network marketing. Ito talaga magpapaangat sa'yo. Hindi to, parang ganito yan eh. Parang, ito lang na-realize ko. Okay, let me explain this one. There are so many people, alam nila na pinagsisinungalingan na sila. Pero pinaniniwalaan nila ang kasinungalingan dahil natatakot sila sa katotohanan. Ano ibig sabihin? Let me explain. Bakit maraming nafo-fall sa mga hype at saka scam? And mind you guys, marami ako nakakausap na meron ako nakakausap na nasa scam sila, na pumapasok sa isang scam, na alam nilang scam. Alam nilang scam. Pero bakit? Bakit maraming nahuhulog ng mga kababayan nating Pilipino sa scam? Kasi ayaw nilang tanggapin ang katotohanan na kailangan nilang harapin ang trabaho, kailangan nilang magbago para magbagong resulta nila. That's why they would rather be hyped. Pakitaan ka na ng sports car. Grabe, magpe-pay in na ako. Imagine niyo, pakitaan ka lang, sabihin, sige, maglabas ka ng 300,000, wala ka nang gagawin. Hindi ka na mag-i-invite, ako nang bahala maglagay. Pinaniwalaan mo yun. Imagine mo, look at this don't be offended with this, pero gumraduate tayo. So some of us, may aral tayo, may experiences tayo sa buhay, tapos may nagsabi sa inyo, 300,000, bibigyan mo, yayaman ka, wala kang gagawin. Pero pinaniwalaan mo, ba't mo pinaniwalaan? Kasi natatakot kang harapin ng katotohanan na kailangan mo magbago para mabago ang buhay natin. Ayaw natin magbago. Pero sasabihin ko sa'yo, I would rather want you face the reality of you change so that you will have a legit, and lifelong transformation sa finances sa kabuhay mo using your network marketing rather than you hyping you up and say wala kang gagawin dito, mag-join ka lang sa amin. But the truth is wala. Nag-gets nyo ba? Type nyo nga yes kung natutunan nyo. Kung naman natutunan kayo. Or drop yung fire emoji if you're fired up when listening to me. You have to go out there, change. Change. But the way you change is to shift your thoughts. Protect what you're thinking. Kumbaga, ingatan mo yung mga bagay na iniisip mo. Never allow your thoughts to be free-flowing. Never allow your thoughts to be free-flowing. Hindi mo pwedeng by default lang mag-isip yan. Kailangan you have to learn how to control, how to program that one. Okay? So yun na naman for me. Work hard in your business, but never forget to build yourself up, especially your mindset, your belief. And combine both, work hard so much. By the way, isang pang bagay, para hindi ka makontrol ng mga negativity is income producing activity. The antidote to negativity is income producing activity. Income producing activity. That's how you will battle negative thoughts or negativity. Again, the antidote to negativity is income producing activities. Right? So the more na active ka, the more na nag-activity ka, the more na may mga ganap ka sa buhay, lalo na nagpapausad sa network marketing business mo, mas least na may isip mo yung negative. But if you just allow yourself to be free-flowing your thoughts, niwala ka sa akin, titiklop ka. And I hope hindi mangyari sa iyo yun. Kasi gusto ko na one day, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, umangat ka, mag-breakthrough ka, mag-grow yung network marketing business mo. Dahil you start to control your thoughts, you start to develop the strong mindset, and you start to implement what you've learned massively. Kasi handa yung mind mo sa mga pwedeng mangyari tsaka mga challenges sa network marketing business. And magugulat ka na lang, nag-grow na pala yung network marketing business mo, nakabayad ka na sa makakautang, nag-rank advance ka na, lumaki yung organization mo, nagkaroon ka ng tuloy-tuloy na pasok ng income dahil ginawa mo siya ng tama. Yun na naman for me, guys. Again, if you're looking for strategies and ways to do network marketing, go to pinoynetworker.org, pinoynetworker.org, or check mo dyan sa may comments or baka nandyan sa screen mo, may link dyan. There's only 899 lifetime access ko dyan. God bless everybody. I hope may natutunan kayo. Share mo to. Tag nyo mga ka-teammates nyo dito that you think that needs this one or share nyo to sa mga group chat nyo. I hope this will help you out. Have a blessed weekend. Bye-bye.